Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit war banner in Mortal Kombat. Customizing your war banner in Mortal Kombat lets you personalize how your profile appears during matches and online interactions. First of all, open up Mortal Kombat application on your device and wait for the main menu to fully load. Once you're inside the main menu, go ahead and tap on your profile name at the top left, and you will then be able to see different options where you need to tap on Edit War Banner. Now on the next page under Background, select your backgrounds you want to change to. Expand the available background. Your backgrounds might also not have been unlocked yet, so in order to unlock them, you need to go ahead and perform special attacks in order to unlock each backgrounds or banner. If you have any backgrounds unlocked, you can simply select it and click on apply on the right corner, which should be located at the bottom right. So that is how you can easily change your war banner in Mortal Kombat. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.